So yo, what's up guys? Today is a special video, and which see guys, how is this black color? I'll show you. Right? So you let me start the vlog. So yo, what's up guys? My name is Akshit and welcome back to new vlog. In this vlog, I am in my farmhouse with my puppies. Only 2 puppies I bought. 4 puppies are over there only. We'll bring them also. We'll see how they'll come. I am also checking now today only these puppies. Tripod shots we cannot take because tripod has been broken. So we'll go and get the puppy. After that I'll continue the vlog. Chalo. I did not get the puppy because that mother came, and if the puppy will be not there, at least 2 puppies should be there over there. So I kept there. Only these 2 I bought. Lebu chuk 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 chuk. See guys, this is one. This is a male puppy, I think. Yes guys, this is a male puppy. This is a female puppy. They are looking like our Spidey. You did not see our Spidey. It is a Rottweiler. Yes. They don't know us, so they are running from us. Now they are in this for which we bought for hens. Now we'll leave them out. Ting chick ting chick ting chick ting chick. Guys, I left them out. Now they are not running because they don't know. They are now small, and now we'll close this. I left them guys. See guys, they are pushing it. Now we'll remove it. Pavum. Small. They moved. See guys, both has been standard up, and they are running. They are walking now. Now one puppy will close because it's running. One week is closed, and this one I kept out. This is that puppy which we showed in the last vlog. And guys, one more thing, my school has been started, so that's why I cannot keep regular vlogs. And next year I'm 10th, so this is our blackie. It have little brown and here little black, white. So this is like this, and this face is patched up out, and this is from back. Now let me leave it down, and it will move. Chalo. Guys, that one will move out, and this one will close. And guys, that one male puppy I left, and this one is the super puppy. I kept on that, which we closed. One puppy, so it is closed, and now it cannot move. See guys, it's more than 3 colors. Brown, it's a female. The face is also super from back. It's face super guys. I showed in the last vlog every puppy. That uncle is not there who will take care. He went to village, so now we are only take caring them. We'll keep our buffaloes as even 2 babies. And let me close this both inside so that we can see inside puppies, means buffalo babies. 1 minute guys, I'll close, and then I'll close, and then I'll meet you. 1 minute guys. And guys, let's now only I close the puppies, and now I'll show the babies. Cuties. And guys, this is one here. See guys, it's running this from me. One over there. See guys, this is one more. 2 puppies and 2 buffaloes. It's 2, and I'll end the vlog here only. And evening, whole family will come. We'll decide in those 2 puppies which puppy we'll take from the 6 puppies. So garden video also, that will also come afterwards only, and now I'm going. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.